Imagine galloping through the misty forests of 18th century England, the thunder of hooves echoing through the night. For some, this was the thrilling world of Dick Turpin, the infamous highwayman. But was he really the romantic figure of legend, or something far darker? Richard Turpin, born in 1705 in Essex, was far from the dashing figure romanticized in popular tales. A butcher's son, Turpin's journey to infamy began in the shadowy world of crime. Turpin initially worked as a butcher, but he soon found a more lucrative, albeit illegal trade: cattle rustling and smuggling. As authorities cracked down on smuggling, Turpin turned to highway robbery, a crime that would cement his legacy. Along with the notorious Gregory Gang, he terrorized travelers across the English countryside. Turpin's boldness and knack for evading capture made him both feared and admired. But his actions were far from noble. His robberies were often violent, and his victims lived in fear. Over time, Turpin's legend grew, thanks in part to sensationalized accounts like Rookwood, a novel by William Harrison Ainsworth. This story portrayed Turpin as a heroic outlaw, famous for his mythical ride from London to York on his horse, Black Bess. But historians have debunked this tale. There's no evidence Turpin made such a journey, and Black Bess likely never existed. In 1739, Turpin was finally captured, not for highway robbery, but for horse theft. He was tried and sentenced to death in York. On April 7, 1739, Turpin met his fate at the gallows. Yet even in death, his story continued to captivate the public today. Dick Turpin is remembered as a complex figure, a villain to some, a folk hero to others. But his story offers valuable lessons about the power of storytelling and the dangers of romanticizing crime. So what do you think? Was Dick Turpin a cunning rogue, a violent criminal, or simply a man whose life was reshaped by legend? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. Stay curious and keep exploring history.